You knew it wouldn't be long with all these hot rods around before old Johnny Law showed up. So we had to get some law and order around the racetrack. Went to Carrera Digital 132 and got the Camaro Sheriff's Car. Very cool. Of course, the Camaro, cool car to begin with, but then you add some flashing red and blue lights of your own on the roof. Man, you talk about a dream come true. You know, there she sits. But no, again, you got to comment on the detail and the quality of the appearance of the Carrera Digital series cars. It's just amazing. I mean, look at the exhaust pipes coming out. Looks just like the Camaro does. The back, everything, the wheels. Looks like it might have the 20-inch wheel option on it. Sure, it's got the highway patrol package going down. There it is. There's nothing you can take off of it that I could tell. The mirrors, that's right, you could take the mirrors off of it, but the lights stayed on it, because Carrera allows you to do that so you don't tear anything up. Cycle of the lights working, headlights, flashing lights. Just a cool car. And there you got your brake lights and your tail lights both working. Out on patrol, right? And the thing looks a lot faster than it is, because at the end of the day, the corners jack it up. As you can see, you watch it come through some of these corners and it really gets out of shape and it does not make good time, but it is fun to drive. And as you can see it going down that backstretch, I mean, it flies. Once you get through these hitches, if you could, you know, some of the other cars go through them without any problem, but this one, it had issues. But on the other side, it did make for cool video, right? A little slow-mo slide coming through. And of course, I need to mention that all these are different. Not boasting, but just to make sure you know, I'm not just rerunning the same clip 3 times in front of you in slow-mo. They look a lot alike because the car reacts the same, but I promise you, all different. But like I said, you can see coming out of this corner here, whoop, way sideways. And that just jacks up the whole lap time. Because the rest of the lap, and it's got like a supercharged sound to it, you know? I mean, it's got a really high whine to it. Just like I said. I mean, I love the slot car deal, but this was a really cool car. Little power slides coming through there. And it's a short wheelbase, I guess. Because these cars all handle different. And some of them surprise you. Some that you think are going to be great aren't so great. And ones that you're not sure of turn out to be your favorite cars. And this Camaro is cool. It's fun to drive. It's not... If you had 2 of them, it'd make for a good race. But it's actually turning some of the slower lap times of all the cars that I have in my collection so far. But it's not because of its straightaway speed. That's not it. I can tell you that. It's just 2 corners. Really give it a hard time. Because it comes through this one pretty good. Almost pulls a wheelie going down the straightaway. Back straight. You know? Well, you watch it down there. And of course the corner I showed you. Just must knock a second and a half out of it coming through there. Turn the lights down for you. Didn't work too well with the headlights on. The headlights kind of glared the red and blue lights. And I like the red and blue lights. Like I said, who doesn't want their own set? I've sure seen them in my rear view mirror plenty. You know, it's nice to be the one controlling the light button now. But it's a cool car if you're interested in getting one. And there it is. The lap times do not lie. Best lap out of 500 laps, almost 8 seconds. So there you go, from the ScottieDTV International Raceway, the Barney Fife mobile, the Carrera Digital 132nd Camaro Sheriff's Car. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.